What's going on, guys? Today I want to talk to you about true wireless earbuds. Now, over the last couple months, I've been reviewing a lot of true wireless earbuds, and I learned so much more than I expected that I would after doing a lot of research about them and playing with them and testing them and things like that, and I wanted to share some of that information with you. So today in this video, I want to talk about 3 different things. What are true wireless earbuds? How do they work? And do I think you should buy them? So before we jump into that, I just want to say, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome to Plug and Play. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any other videos. But without further ado, let's jump right in. So if you watched any of my other videos, you may have found one about a pair of true wireless earbuds that absolutely suck. And I'm not going back on it, they actually do. I'm going to put that up above my head here in just a second, so you can check that out if you'd like. But today I wanted to clear up some confusion, maybe give you a little bit of information, explain a couple things, because I had lots of questions and it took me a long time to kind of figure it out. So hopefully this video can clear that up for you. So question number 1, what are true wireless earbuds? So let's say you head to Amazon, you type in wireless earbuds. You're gonna come up with a lot of different things and they're gonna be mixed up. You're gonna run into a few different things. 1, standard wireless earbuds, and 2, true or truly wireless earbuds. 2 completely different things. They look and sound similar, but let's jump in and talk about the differences. So true wireless earbuds work pretty much identically to any other wireless pair of headphones. So for these right here, I'm going to use the JDubb Rewinds. Now, if you look at the JDubb Rewinds, you're going to notice that they are wireless. There's no cable that connects these to my phone in my pocket. That is what wireless headphones and wireless earbuds are. They removed the cable from my phone and from the headset. That's it. That's as simple as it gets. Bluetooth transmitter in here, Bluetooth receiver on the phone. That makes basically essentially the wire between the two. Now, the one thing that makes them different than truly wireless earbuds is the connection between the 2 headphones. Now, on the JDubb Rewinds, you're going to see that there is still a wire, still a cable over the top. Now, this cable right here connects the right ear to the left ear. There is still a wire. That is why they are not truly wireless. Now, in comparison to that, I've got a pair of true wireless earbuds, the ones I'm currently using right now by A-Tech. Now, if I pull these guys out, you're going to notice that there are 2 little tiny earbuds. No cables, no wires whatsoever. I plug them in my ears and I'm ready to go. No cable between them, nothing going on here, and no cable down to my phone. That is what truly wireless or true wireless headphones or earbuds are. So question number 2, how do they work? It's pretty simple. Let's start off with the JDubb Rewinds again. So the way that these guys work is pretty standard. Instead of having a wire connecting the headset to your cell phone, you have a Bluetooth connection. Simple as that. You pair them to your phone, you put them on, you hit play, and you're good to go. Now, with truly wireless earbuds, there's a little bit more going on. The right earbud is usually the dominant of the 2. And what that means is that there are 2 Bluetooth transmitters inside the right earbud. One to send the signal back and forth from your phone, and the other one to send the signal back and forth to the left earbud over here. Pretty straightforward concept. It's not that confusing, but just so you know, there's a lot of technology going on in these tiny little earbuds. And that's where we'll jump into some of the questions that you may have about whether you should buy them or not, or how they work. Now that we've cleared up how they work, what they are, let's talk a little bit about if I think you should buy them or if they work well or how that all kind of works out. Now, obviously, you could click on the link up above and check out some of my videos on true wireless earbuds that I've done, some reviews to get a little bit more information, but let's break it down for you. Pros, there's a lot of pros to truly wireless earbuds, right? No cables whatsoever, no tangling of cords, no managing any type of cable behind your head or any cable down to your phone, things like that. Super, super convenient. Another pro is they're super compact. They fit in your ears really well. A lot of them do. They come with really neat cases that you can put them in that charge them throughout the day, so you get extended battery life, things like that, as well as keep them safe, keep them protected. In this case, again, on my A-Tech pair, it's just cool looking and it's awesome. It fits perfectly in my backpack or my pocket, so it's super convenient. So they're great. There's a lot of really good pros to these guys. They sound awesome, and these ones in particular, they just work really well. But what about the negatives? There are some negatives that I want to talk about, and this is why I might dissuade you a little bit if you're interested in looking at true wireless earbuds. So negatives. Again, the size is a problem. Yes, it's nice that they're tiny and they're convenient and there's no cables, but These little tiny batteries in these guys do wear out fairly quickly. Most pairs of truly wireless earbuds give you about 4 hours of listening time per session. Now, what I mean by that is you have about 4 hours of time in which you can listen to these earbuds, listen to your music, your podcast, things like that, before they need to go back in the case and charge. So if you look at a lot of true wireless earbud listings on Amazon or other websites, they're going to say, they get 12 hours of battery life. Okay, in most cases, that is 12 hours of total battery life, or whatever hours of total battery life, based on the fact that you can charge them in the case, take them back out, and plug them back in again. I have not seen a pair of truly wireless earbuds that get that much battery life. Now, I think 6 to 9 hours is about the maximum that I've seen, but some of those get pretty darn big because they've got a big old battery in there. So beware of that. Just be aware that the fact that these guys need to get taken out and put in here. So if you're looking for long listening sessions, these might not be for you. The next major downfall and major issue that I have had with truly wireless earbuds is the connection itself. Like I said, you've got two wireless connections, two Bluetooth connections going on, one between the right and left ears and one between your phone and the earbuds. This is a problem because there are so many wireless signals in the world today. Wi-Fi's, home phones, everything is wireless. We're a wireless society. The Wi-Fi's are everywhere. And Bluetooth runs on a lot of the same bandwidth, band lengths that a lot of those other wireless signals do. There's tons of distortion. So the biggest problem that I've had with truly wireless earbuds is connection issues, sound quality issues, things like that. So keep in mind that if you're trying to go for an experience with wireless where you're not going to run into issues, maybe a pair of true wireless earbuds might not be for you right now, as the technology is still kind of developing and growing. So with all of that said, I think if you want to be on the cutting edge of audio technology, you want to find the next cool big thing, true wireless earbuds are fun. They're definitely a cool thing to check out. One last word of warning is stay away from the really cheap ones, right? Everyone's looking at the Apple AirPods and saying, wow, those are really expensive. Go on Amazon and I can get these really cheap, knockoff versions that look just like them and supposedly work just like them. I'm telling you, if you're spending less than $40 on a pair of true wireless earbuds, I'm not going to guarantee you're going to have problems, but I'm going to bet you might. So I would say go over the higher end. Go for the Sennheisers, the Sonys, anything up in that higher brand size. The more expensive. The more expensive you go, generally the better technology, the better Bluetooth radios they're using, things like that. You're going to get a better experience. So stay away from the cheap junk if you want to jump into true wireless. If you're not that brave, and I don't blame you for not being that brave, I'm not that brave myself in most situations, I would say stick with a pair of just wireless earbuds or headphones, kind of like these JDubb Rewinds or other brands like that. This technology is tested and true. These guys are $20 and I've never had a connection issue. I have great sound and they work fantastically. So I would say to try something like that and see if that might be better for you, and give true wireless earbuds a chance to grow technologically, and maybe we'll see something happen and they may become a viable scenario soon. So that's it for me, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, or if it wasn't, let me know down in the comments below. Any questions you have about true wireless technology or any other wireless stuff, let me know. I'd love to have a conversation. But other than that, guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you next time. Hey, thank you again so much for watching that last video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, I got some other videos right here that you might like. And again, if you like that video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any other videos.